What are chronological indicators in archaeological site dating? Imagine piecing together a giant puzzle of the past, where each piece tells a story about when things happened. That's what archaeologists do when they use chronological indicators to date sites. These tools help us understand the order of events and how cultures changed over time. When archaeologists survey a site, they look for clues that can tell them how old different layers or artifacts are. These clues are called chronological indicators. They are essential because they help us build timelines of human activity long ago. One way archaeologists figure out dates is through absolute dating. This method gives a specific age or time range for artifacts or layers. For example, radiocarbon dating measures the amount of carbon-14 in organic materials like wood or bones. Dendrochronology, or tree ring dating, looks at the growth rings in ancient wood to find the exact year it was formed. Thermoluminescence measures trapped electrons in minerals, which can tell us when pottery was last heated. These methods are very precise and often used in scientific labs after fieldwork. Another approach is relative dating. This doesn't give a specific date but helps place artifacts or layers in a sequence. Stratigraphy is a key technique here. It's based on the idea that the lowest layers of soil are the oldest, and the upper layers are newer. By carefully excavating and recording these layers, archaeologists can see which events happened first. Typology is another tool, where archaeologists analyze the style of artifacts like pottery or tools. If they find a certain type of pottery known to be from a specific period, they can estimate the age of the layer it's in. There are also special markers that act as chronological indicators. Stratigraphic markers are layers of soil or rock that contain artifacts. If a layer has a unique feature, like a volcanic ash deposit, it can serve as a timestamp. Volcanic ash layers, called Tephra, are especially useful because they can be dated chemically and linked to specific eruptions. These layers can help date the surrounding deposits and artifacts. Tree rings are another important indicator. When archaeologists find wooden structures or tools, they can analyze the growth rings to determine the exact year the tree was cut. This method is very reliable in regions with well-documented tree ring sequences. In fieldwork and excavation, these chronological indicators are like signposts. They help archaeologists quickly understand the age of a site or artifact. For example, finding a specific type of pottery can tell them if the site is from a certain period. Identifying volcanic ash layers can date events before or after eruptions. Combining different indicators allows archaeologists to create detailed timelines of past societies. This helps us see how cultures evolved, interacted, or changed over thousands of years. So, in short, chronological indicators are the tools that help archaeologists turn layers of dirt and broken objects into stories about the past. They are the key to unlocking the sequence of human history buried beneath our feet.